In this video, we'll learn how to create an objective via the step-by-step method in Profit.co. On the OKRs page, click the plus icon to create a new objective. Then, select the option Step-by-Step Guide. In the first step, you can set the name of your objective and the associated tags with your objective. You can also add any additional context if needed. In the second step, you can set target dates for the objective as quarterly, yearly, or you can set a custom range. When finished, click on Next. In the third step, you can set your objective's visibility by selecting who can access this OKR. Once finished, click on Next. As a final step, you can align your objective to any other OKRs based on the organizational needs. After aligning the objective, click on Complete. The newly created objective will be displayed on the OKRs page. Hope you have a better understanding of how to create an objective via the step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching.